So today I'm gonna show you how to change the gear knob for BMW. The car we have today is the e39, and this is common process for all BMWs. I have the original knob, so this torted and like really looking rubbish, although I really like the feeling of the real leather on it. So I bought through eBay the new gear knob. The idea is that this gear knob is very tight, so you really need to hold it in both hands and careful for your teeth and your face, and you have really to push it back as much as you can. Of course you have to do it in both hands, but I'm like taking the video with the other hand, so you have to really push back, but in the same time careful for your face and teeth. So many people have really injuries from this process. It will help if you put your both legs here and you sit in the middle and push back and straight and put the gear knob on the neutral position until it will flip up. Okay, I already took it out because I didn't want to have any injury actually again. So you will push it up until it slides out like this, and this is how it looks like when it's off. About the new gear knob, I bought this one in fair like price. It doesn't of course like feel like the original, but it the leather really like nicely finished and the shape is very nice. Okay, it's lighter than the original one, and the idea is that before I put it in, because I may not like it, I just want to try it and I may exchange it later if I have like better deal, because this cost me almost like around $15 through eBay. So I'm gonna put silicone oil inside. I can put the silicone oil around this knob here, so next time it won't like give me such hard time, and I will push it back in like as it just like by a hit over. So I'm gonna just put on the rod silicone oil now. So whoever tells you about the silicone oil that it's okay to get into the tableau or the paint of the car or the glass, no, it's not okay. It really stays and it really give you permanent distortion on the paint or the internal fabric. So I just sprayed a little bit on this tissue and just wipe it around, and this will be enough because it really stays. Okay, and now the important stuff comes when you orient your gear knob. Usually the gear and the whole setting of the BMW is driver oriented, so it doesn't go straight. It goes a little bit like this. Okay, and the procedure is just to click it. Yeah, it's in place. Yeah, and that's it. So we have new gear knob already. Doesn't flip. Super. So this is how to install the new gear knob for your BMW.